I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting cells and protection. Pick matched high drain 18,650 or 21,700 cells within 5% capacity to ensure even charge. Once done, choose a BMS that supports your target fast charge current and balancing. This protects cells and prevents thermal runaway. Make sure to prepare a sturdy enclosure, nickel strips, a spot welder, a 10A fuse, and wiring rated above the expected current. You're not prepping for hobby aesthetics. You're assembling the safety and performance core of your power bank now. Now assemble the pack. Configure cells into the series/parallel layout that yields the voltage and capacity you need, for example 2's 2P for 7. 4V nominal. Once aligned, spot weld nickel strips on parallel groups first, then link series groups. This minimizes imbalance and prevents overheating. After welding, measure continuity and individual cell voltages. Next, mount the BMS to the pack terminals, attach a fuse on the pack positive, and connect the output to a USB power delivery module if you're implementing fast charge protocols. To finish, charge the pack at a low 0. 2C rate so cells balance and monitor temperatures to confirm even heating. This prevents latent faults. Once balanced, test the USB power delivery negotiation with a controlled load, gradually up to your intended fast charge wattage, and verify stable voltages and no undervoltage cutouts. If something goes wrong, recheck spot welds, individual cell voltages, BMS wiring, and the fuse. If any cell is out of range or hot, remove and replace it. Safety first, stop and inspect rather than push a faulty pack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.